How to get coding project ideas. Finding new coding project ideas can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when your creativity seems to have hit a wall. However, there are several effective strategies that can spark inspiration and lead to innovative project concepts. Start by considering the problems you encounter in your daily life. Often, the most compelling projects arise from personal experiences and an urge to find solutions. For example, if you struggle with time management, creating a task tracking app could be a beneficial venture. Another fruitful approach is to delve into online communities and platforms like GitHub, Reddit, or Stack Overflow. These platforms are treasure troves of ongoing projects and discussions. By exploring existing repositories, you may find inspiration in features that users wish existed, or projects that you can take in a new direction. Engaging with these communities not only introduces you to potential project ideas, but also connects you with like-minded individuals who can offer support and feedback. Additionally, consider contributing to open-source projects. This experience can provide insight into real-world coding practices while allowing you to tackle issues faced by developers. By addressing bugs, adding new features, or improving documentation, you can turn a seemingly mundane task into an opportunity for a project of your own creation. While contributing, take note of areas that ignite your passion. These could easily evolve into personal coding projects. Participating in hackathons can also be a game changer. These events are designed to challenge developers to innovate rapidly. The collaborative environment and diverse perspectives often lead to unexpected project ideas. Embrace the thrill of spontaneous brainstorming and team synergy during a hackathon, which could ignite your passion for a project that you probably wouldn't have tackled on your own. Lastly, consider learning a new technology or programming language and build a project around it. The excitement of exploring unfamiliar tools can lead to unique ideas that merge your interests with your newfound skills. Whether it's developing a mobile app using Flutter or experimenting with machine learning frameworks, the journey of learning can uncover project ideas that are both intriguing and educational. In conclusion, the key to generating coding project ideas is to stay curious, engaged, and open-minded. Whether it's through identifying personal problems, exploring online communities, contributing to open source, participating in hackathons, or learning new technologies, inspiration can come from the most unexpected places. Embrace these opportunities, and your next coding project idea is bound to follow.